I'm Denise.
And I'm Solon. Today we're talking about tires and safety. Did you know driving on bad tires can be really dangerous?
That's right, Solon. Worn out tires could lead to less grip on the road, making it hard to stop quickly and increasing the risk of accidents, especially in wet conditions. This is what a worn out tire looks like. The treads are shallow and don't offer much grip.
And this is how a good tire. See how much deeper the treads are? These give your car a better hold on the road.
A simple way to check your tire's tread is the penny test. All you need is a penny. Place the penny down into the tire's tread with Lincoln's head upside down and facing you. If you could see all of Lincoln's head, it's time to replace your tire. A simple way to check.
Wow, on the bad tire, Lincoln's head is totally visible, but on the good part, if his head is covered.
Exactly, Solon. This test is a quick and easy way to check your tire's safety.
So always remember to check your tires normally, folks. It keeps you and everyone on the road safer.
And if you're not sure, it's always best to ask a professional. That's it for today. Stay safe and keep your tires in check.
See you next time for more car tips. Bye!